And I'm Chandan and welcome back to my channel. So we'll be discussing about class 9 ICSE Region Biology. The first chapter, cells, a unit of life. All living organisms are made up of variety of body parts. एक बॉडी को बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स लगते हैं, उसको जॉइन बहुत सारे बॉडी पार्ट जॉइन करके एक बॉडी बनती है. प्लांट्स हैव रूट्स, लीव्स, फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट्स, वर्ड्स, etc. सिमिलर लाइक एक पूरा प्लांट को बनाने के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें लगती है, जैसे रूट्स लगती है, स्टेम्स लगती है, लीव्स लगती है. ऐसे ह्यूमन बीइंग को भी बनने के लिए बहुत सारे कंपोनेंट्स लगते हैं, जैसे कि बॉडी, फ्लैश, नर्व्स, ब्लड, etc. ओके. To this part they look very different. They have very common features and all composed of tiny units called cells. ये सब cells से बने होते हैं. Okay. However, many living organisms such as bacteria, amoeba, etc. are formed only by cells. So bacteria like amoeba are formed by only one cell. Okay. A cell, a unit of life. Cell is a basic unit of life. A cell is the smallest part of an organism which is able to carry out all the basic functions of life such as growth, metabolism and reproduction. Every organ of living beings is made up of hundreds of thousands of cells. Every function performed by an organism is ultimately the outcome of the activity of the cells only. A cell is therefore the basic instructional and functional unit of all living beings. Cells have certain characteristics. Cells are the building blocks of all human beings. Like they are the smallest part and they build a human being. Like for example, my hand. It consists of all the cells, and create abundant of cells. Like little cells create a whole part of a body, and we are created by cells. Like every part of a body is created by cells. Second is a cell is capable of independent existence and perform all the basic functions of life. So cell can live independently and can perform all the functions in your body. Functions of your life, by the way. Every organism shapes its life for a single cell. Each cell has its own lifespan. The old and worn out cells are continuously replaced by new cells. As you know that cells have been found very form, उसके बाद वो रिप्लेस हो जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब न्यू सेल्स आती है तो ये जो पुरानी वाली सेल्स हट जाती है. सो इसलिए आप देखना मम्मी बोलती है ऐसा धो कर नहाओ, सो डेड सेल निकल जाती है आपकी बॉडी से. Every organism starts its life in a single cell and each cell has its own lifespan. So cells have their own lifespan and वो उस टाइम बाद ख़त्म हो जाती है क्योंकि न्यू सेल्स प्रोड्यूस होते रहती है. Cells of similar nature together form a tissue and many tissues form an organ. So cells बहुत सारी सेल्स मिलके क्या होती है, टिश्यू, एंड बहुत सारे टिश्यू मिलके क्या बनते हैं, ऑर्गन. The organ work together as a system and many systems form an organism. So बहुत सारे मिलके से organs मिलके क्या बनते हैं, organism. Okay. Discovery of cell. The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He explained a thin slice of cork under his microscope and observed that the cork was made up of a large number of components joined together as a honeycomb-like structure. These compartments are named cells. The cells has taken by empty spaces of Dell cells surrounded by the cellulose wall. Today's cell donates the living contents or the protoplast. A German botanist M.J. Sheldon 1838 and a German zoologist Theodor Schwann 1939 formulated a cell theory for plants and animals respectively. In 1885, a German physiologist Rudolf Virchow gave the phrase omnis cellulose. It means the cell arises from pre-existing cells. This principle was also added on the cell theory. Salient features of cell theory are cells is the basic unit of structure of plants and animals, as we discussed. Second is cell is the basic unit of function as the metabolic reaction takes place inside the cell. Third is the cell is a unit of heredity and it contains hereditary material inside the nucleus. All living cells arise only from pre-existing cells. मतलब जो pre-existing cells है उसी से वो बनती है. Okay. All the organisms start their life as a single cell. सब पहले सिंगल सेल से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं. Thus, the cell theory signifies the structural and functional relationship among and drives the living forms of the bacteria of a man. Expectations to the cell theory. Viruses. Viruses are described as the connecting links between living and non-living things. They have hereditary material enclosed in a protein coat. The protoplasm and the nucleus are absent. DNA and RNA is a genetic material. Cells. The number and the shape. Organism may have one cell or many cells in their bodies depending upon the number of cells they may have by unicellular and multicellular. Like I'll give a very short example. Unicellular, like I'll sum up. Bacteria are, as we discussed, amoeba has only one cell. That's why it's called unicellular. And human beings have multiple cells because we have multiple organs. So we are multicellular organisms. They are first the unicellular organisms. They are made up of only one cell, as I said you. Bacteria, yeast, parenchyma, amoeba, etc. Multicellular organisms, they are made of several. So most plants and animals as well as humans are made of billions of cells. In fact, larger animals part have more than cells. The larger one, the colony and alga volvulus, the number of varies from about 60,000 in a colony. Number of cells in human body. A newly born human baby has approximately 2 trillion cells in a body. एक छोटी बेबी में भी 2 trillion cells होती है. An average size adult being approximately 37.2 trillion cells in the whole body.